So that's interesting. This HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301. I feel like it's singing to me. Like, it does that. I thought it just did it whenever I printed pictures. But it sings like the lines of that song that Grne Wilder was singing in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie from 1971, where he sings in a world of pure imagination, like how the syllables are, the syllables in those lyrics. That's what this printer sounds like it's doing whenever it's like printing a document. Oh, it's so interesting.